Install soft close hardware only where it gives the most daily benefit to cut costs without sacrificing comfort. Soft close mechanisms are most valuable on frequently used doors and drawers because they prevent slams and extend hardware life, so prioritize the kitchen and master bathroom first. Choose economy soft close hinges and undermount drawer slides that meet a balance between durability and price, and look for models with adjustable closing speed so you can tune performance without replacement. For closets, garages, utility rooms, and seldom used cabinetry, stick with standard hinges and drawer slides and plan upgrades later. This staggers expense and keeps initial construction within budget. When ordering, match backsets and hole patterns to existing cabinetry to avoid costly modification, and buy a small sample pack to test feel before committing to a full set. Install using a jig or mark drilling points precisely to prevent misalignment that causes chipping or noisy operation, and tighten mounting screws to manufacturer torque recommendations while avoiding over-tightening that can strip wood. Finally, document part numbers and placement during installation so future upgrades are straightforward and you do not accidentally replace a high-quality unit with a cheaper non-compatible one. The common mistake of putting soft close on every door wastes budget and yields little added benefit in storage and service areas, so limit selection to high-use zones and upgrade later if desired. A second issue is buying low-cost units that are not compatible with cabinet geometry, which leads to poor function, so verify dimensions and test samples before bulk purchase. A third concern is improper installation causing binding or failure, so follow manufacturer adjustment instructions, use proper fasteners for material density, and check alignment after a week of use, then retighten as needed. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and share project details to make selective upgrades easier. We also connect contractors with customers and host a discussion community where people trade tips on budget-friendly hardware choices and installation strategies.